Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and let me show you how to add citations to your Google Doc file. It's very easy. All you need to do is to go to Tools over here, and over here click Citations, and now choose your style, preferred style for example, and click Add Citation Source. And over here you can see the sources, let's say book for example, and let's say it's a printed book, and you can search with a ESBN. So I can do this. Let's check out with ESBN and click search, and you can see over here the results of Moby Dick, and click continue, and over here you can click add citation source. But let's for example do this again, tools, citations, and let's add citation source and print, and go over here cite manually, and over here you can add the author, first name, last name. And when you're done, just click add citation source, and your citation will be available over here. You can click over here more options, so you can edit it or delete it. If I click, for example, I will add citation at the end of this paragraph, position your mouse cursor and click over here cite. And now you can replace this with a page number, for example. If I click insert work cited, you can see that we have work cited over here. This is our bibliography. But make sure to do this at the end, because if you change something over here, it won't be changed over here. So be careful about that. And this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye.